Are you kidding me? You guys, how long have I been using this new mascara? It comes in waterproof and non. I prefer the waterproof. Okay, look. My lashes have grown so much. They say it's 46% in 4 to 6 weeks. I promise you, you will see results fast. And just how long it makes your lashes, it separates, lengthens, curls, but to actually grow your lashes, look at this. Can you see? I am like blown away. 2 coats of mascara, $28, and you will get amazing results. And for those of you who happen to be over 50 and fabulous, the thing about lashes, if you can really help get that lash coverage to minimize how much that hooded eye comes down, it makes all the difference in the world. And I do not like wearing false lashes, but I know it makes a difference. This new mascara, such a favorite. So if you like to curl your lashes, curl them. This one is not curled, but look at the difference in my lashes. Can you see that? Oh my God, I love them. Okay, so I'm gonna try the other side just so you can see. I'm not doing any tricks. I'm just gonna show you 2 coats. And I have a tip in how to apply mascara. I'll show you the way most people do it, and I'll show you how I do it, and I really love this new technique. So I do like to curl my lashes first though. So I take it, kind of start closing your eyes so you're not getting your bottom lashes, and then bend it up a little bit. I know, doesn't this look scary? Can you imagine if men saw this? They'd be like, what the heck do you do? They don't understand. All right, so this is the new mascara, and we'll just do, so, okay, most people just kind of wiggle it back and forth, close their eyes and blink, or just pull the mascara up. But I have a trick, and this really seems to help lengthen them and get the color all the way at the base, and it kind of helps keep them curled. So here's my trick. If you get right in at the base and you twirl it, you like twist it up. So start with your hand kind of curled, get it in there, and you just twist it up. That also helps eliminate getting it on your eyelid too. Does that make sense? And just curl it out there. It helps to get rid of most of the globs, I think, too. All right, and this brush is really thick. Look at that. When I first saw it, I thought that's like so fat, it's never gonna work, but it's just made especially to be able to separate your lashes. And don't start sneezing, because then you get it up above. All right, that's 1 coat. This mascara is amazing. There's no fiber to fall off on your eyes. So for those of you who wear contacts and you always struggle, this won't get in your eyes. It stays, it's waterproof. So this isn't even gonna fall off if you cry your eyes out. Or for me, my eyes are dry, so they tend to water a lot when I don't want them to. And this doesn't come off. So I love this new mascara. I'm so excited. It sold out so fast, and I just got my shipment in. So it's $28. This mascara is amazing, and it comes with a money-back guarantee. Just like all our products, we want you to love them. But you know when you go to a great movie and you see a good movie and you're like, oh my gosh, everyone needs to see that movie. For example, Bird Box. Did you see it? Crazy. It's not even, it's just weird, right? But you feel like everyone needs to see it with you. All right, so there you go. That is 2 coats. Now, I could do 3, I could do 4. I've seen people do 3 and 4 coats. I personally, 2 is fine. All I want is to lengthen and separate my lashes. So that's the new mascara. Like I said, it comes in the waterproof, in black and in brown. This is black. So if you're really fair, if you have gray hair, light blonde hair, the dark brown is amazing. I could be using the dark brown as well, but I have the black because that's what I had in stock. And like I said, it sold out so fast, I had to use what I had. And then the non-waterproof has a little bit different brush. Let me show you. It's just a little more tapered. Same kind of thing. Look at how many little brushes there are in there. So you can really get in and lift your lashes. So this one comes in dark brown and black as well. And just to show you the color difference, it's not that much. Okay, this one is the dark brown. This one is the black. You really can't see the difference. So they work really well. They both have Capixyl in it, which is a formula that helps to stimulate the hair follicles. So that's how it grows your lashes. This stuff is amazing. 4 weeks to have 46% longer lashes. Not only do you get amazing mascara, but you get a product that grows your lashes. You don't have to, I mean, we sell Lash Extend, which you put on like a liquid eyeliner to help grow your lashes. If you really want to give them a boost, use that in the morning and at night. But this is just the mascara. It's pretty amazing. So I do have it. If you want one, comment below because they sold out again within a week. But I do have some. I just got my inventory in. So I would love to send one out to you. Let's get you going so we can see what your lashes look like. Take a before picture, take an after, and post it below. We would love to see how it works for you. Thanks for watching.